The first question is, show that the three lines with the direction cosines 12 by 13, 4 by minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, और दूसरी लाइन 4 by 13, 12 by 13, 3 by 13, third line 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, 12 by 13 are mutually perpendicular. So we will take the direction cosines of first two lines. Let two lines are having direction cosines L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2 and N2. Now they will be perpendicular if L1 into L2 plus M1 into M2 plus N1 into N2 must be equal to 0. So we will take the direction cosines of first two lines. So 12 by 13, 4 by 13, L1, L2, M1, M2, N1, N2, इसको हमने कैलकुलेट किया, this will be 0. So it means first two lines are parallel. Similarly, second or third line and third or first line, if you substitute these values, they will be 0. So hence all the three lines are perpendicular to each other. But we have to calculate L1, L2, M1, M2 plus N1, N2 must be equal to 0. Second question is, show that the line through point 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 2 is perpendicular to line through point this and this. So first we will calculate their direction ratio. Direction ratio of line passing through point minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 2. So direction ratio will be 3 minus 1, 4 minus minus 1 means 4 plus 1, minus 2 minus 2. So ये हमारे पास आ गई कैलकुलेट करके डायरेक्शन रेशियो ऑफ लाइन. Then direction ratio of line second passing through point this and this. So 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 6 minus 2, 4. दूसरे की डायरेक्शन रेशियोज आ गई है. Now we have to prove that they are perpendicular to each other. So it means 2 into 3, 5 into 2, minus 4 into 4. This must be means L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2. L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2. ये वैल्यूज निकाल ली सारी. This must be equal to 0 if the lines are perpendicular. So this is 0, minus 6, 16 minus 16, 0. So lines are perpendicular. Then the question number 4 is, find the equation of line which passes through point 1, 2 and 3. Question number 4 is, find the equation of line which passes through point 1, 2 and 3 and is parallel to vector this. Parallel to given vector. So line passes through point है 1, 2, 3. So position vector of the line will be I cap, 1 I cap, 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Now this is parallel to this vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k. So it means if they are parallel, so equation of line passing through a point whose position vector a and parallel to b. पहला ही हमारा आर्टिकल था. Line, equation of line passing through a given point and parallel to another line. So r vector is a plus lambda b vector. So equation of line will be r vector is a means the line I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda और जिसके parallel है b means this one 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Then question number 6 is, find the Cartesian equation of line which passes through point minus 2, 4 and minus 5 and parallel to line this. As the lines are parallel, so therefore their direction ratios are proportional. So direction ratios of required line इस line के 3, 5 और 6 होने चाहिए. उसके भी जिसकी इक्वेशन निकालनी है. So equation of line will be x minus x1 means x plus 2 upon 3 y minus 4 upon 5, z minus 5 means z plus 5 upon 6. So this is the required equation of the line. Then question number 7 is find the Cartesian equation of line is given. We have to write it is in vector form. So equation of line is this: x minus 5 by 3, y plus 4 by 7, z minus 6 by 2. Let we call it as lambda. So journal point on the line के point अगर हम निकालें तो क्या आएगा? First we will calculate x 3 lambda plus 5, then y 7 lambda minus 4, then z 2 lambda plus 6. With this calculation we will calculate x, y and z. Now journal point we have calculated. Now the position vector of journal point 3 lambda plus 5 I cap, 7 lambda minus 4 j cap plus 2 lambda plus 6 k cap. So what will be r? If you rearrange it, it will be 5i minus 4j plus 6k plus lambda common ले लिया 3i plus 7j plus 2k. So this is the vector form of the line which is given in Cartesian form. Now again question number 9, we are given 2 points 3 minus 2 minus 5, 3 minus 2 and 6. Let these points be PQ. We have to write the equation of line in vector form as well as in Cartesian form. So let these points will be P and Q. Line passes through P, so therefore position vector of point P, suppose that is a vector 3i minus 2j minus 5k. Direction ratio of PQ, if you calculate 3 minus 3 0, minus 2 plus 2 0, 6 plus 5 11. So direction ratios आ गए मेरे पास, A आ गया. So equation of line in vector form will be equation of line in vector form in the direction of PQ will be given as B vector is equal to 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 11 k cap और 11 k cap रहेगा सिर्फ. So vector equation will become R vector is A plus lambda B. So this will be A vector means this 3i minus 2j minus 5k plus lambda into B, that is 11k. So you can arrange this to get the answer. Then question number 14 is find the shortest distance between the lines. Question number 10, 11, 12, they may be deleted because of they are related to topic angle between two lines. They are related to the topic that angle between two lines, so that topic is deleted. So we will do question number 14. The given equations are, we have to find the shortest distance between the line. This is very important type and definitely a question come from this, find the shortest distance between the lines. So let R vector is ये given है, let R first line, this is second line. For the shortest distance we must compare these. R vector is equal to a1 plus lambda b1 plus second is R vector is a2 plus mu b2. So we will compare a1 a2 b1 b2. If you see, this is a1 b1 a2 b2. So first we will write the formula. The distance between line is b1 cross b2, cross product of b1 and b2 with dot product of difference a2 minus a1 over b1 क्रॉस b2 जो निकालना है उसका मैग्नीट्यूड, सारा डिस्टेंस पॉजिटिव. सो a2 minus a1 if you calculate 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 1 I cap minus j minus 2 minus 3k minus k minus 2k. this is a2 minus a1. Then b1 cross b2. So if you recall the cross product of two vectors, फर्स्ट रो इज आई जे के डिटर्मिनेंट की फॉर्म में सॉल्व करते थे. नाउ b1 है 1 minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 plus 1, and then b2 is 2 1 2. We have to write the coefficients only, 2 1 and 2. Then open with determinant as we solve determinant. So b1 cross b2 will be minus 3. वही this rows this column, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 I cap रह जाएगा plus 3 j cap रह जाएगा when you solve as a determinant. Now we will substitute these values in the formula. So b1 cross b2 का जो mod है, mod of b1 cross b2 will be 3 square plus 3 square 9 square 3 root 2 रह गया. So we will substitute the values. This is b1 cross b2 minus 3i plus 3k, and this is a2 minus a1, that is I minus 3j minus 2k upon b1 cross b2 magnitude. So when you calculate this, ये डॉट प्रोडक्ट है तो I के साथ I वाला बचेगा, -3 इंटू -1. सो -3 0 है यहाँ पे k वाला, तो 0 इंटू k वाला तो 0 हो गया, 3 इंटू -2 -6. सो -9 by 3 root 2. So on calculation rationalization it is 3 by 2 root 2. Question number 15 is same. You are given two lines and you have to find the shortest distance, but the lines are given in the form of Cartesian form. So for Cartesian form you can also convert these into vector form and then apply the same as in question number 14. But for Cartesian form, how you will solve as taking as a Cartesian form, let me see. The shortest distance between the lines in Cartesian form is given as, अब lines जो है वो ये हैं, x minus x1 upon a1, y minus y1 upon b1, z minus z1 upon c1. Similarly x minus x2 upon a2, y minus y2 upon b2 is equal to z minus z2 upon c2. So इसका होता है determinant of x2, this distance is determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. ये determinant upon b1 लिया, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 square, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 square. So we all are having the values of a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 x2 x1 y2 y1 z2 z1 from these equations. So let me compare them. x2 minus x1. So x2 is, if you compare it with this, x2 minus x1, x2 पॉइंट ये है, x minus x2. So x2 कंपेयर, यहाँ से सारी वैल्यूज निकलनी है, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 यानी कि 3 plus 1 हो गया 4. Then y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 5 minus -1 6. तो ये वैल्यूज सारी हमने जो है वो निकाली. a1 b1 c1 कहाँ से आ गई, a1 b1 c1 7 minus 6 1, a2 b2 c2 1 minus 2 1, 1 minus 2 1. So we will having these values and then solve it as a determinant. This is minus 116. ये मैंने न्यूमिनेटर पार्ट कैलकुलेट कर लिया डिस्टेंस का, जो डिस्टेंस शॉर्टेस्ट निकालना है. अब मैं नीचे डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट जो है स्क्वायर रूट वाला उसको कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूँ. b2 c1 वैल्यू सारी हैं मेरे पास, b2 c1 माइनस b2 b1 c2 माइनस b2 c1 स्क्वायर, c1 a2 माइनस c2 a1 स्क्वायर, a1 b2 माइनस a2 b1 स्क्वायर. सो वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट दीज वैल्यूज. a1 b1 c1 हमारे पास हैं ऑलरेडी, यहाँ से भी देख सकते हो. So on this calculation, this is under root of 160. So distance will be minus 116 over under root of 116 का mod. So this is 2 under root of 29 will be the left. Or you can convert this equation in the vector form and again apply the formula b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 over b1 cross b2 का magnitude as in question number 14. Then 17 question again. Find the shortest distance between the lines. The given lines are r vector is 1 minus t I cap plus t minus 2 j cap plus t minus 3 k cap. Second is s plus 1 I cap, 2s minus 1 j cap minus 2s plus 1 k cap. The shortest distance is same, b1 cross b2 dot a2 minus a1 over b1 cross b2. Let we rewrite the equations in the form of r vector is a plus lambda b. सो यहाँ से हमने लिख लिया आई कैप, टी ले लिया बस, आई कैप माइनस 2 जे कैप, पहला हो गया आई कैप माइनस 2 ब्रैकेट खोल दी 2 जे कैप प्लस 3 के कैप और टी के साथ जो आई जे के हैं उसको अलग लिख दिया. सिमिलरली एस के साथ आई जे के को अलग लिख लिया. मतलब हमने बेसिकली फॉर्मेट बनाया है आर वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस लैम्डा बी. अब यहाँ से ये a1 है, ये b1 है, a2 है, b2 है. सो a1 b1 a2 b2 सारे लिख लिए. देन वी कैलकुलेट b1 क्रॉस b2 का मैग्नीट्यूड. b1 क्रॉस b2 कैलकुलेट किया, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट आई जे के -1 1 -2 1 2 -2. देन open the determinant, this goes -2 plus 4, this goes minus 2 plus 2 हो गया plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. then k -2 -1 -2 -1. डिटर्मिनेंट जैसे ओपन करते हैं, सो इट इज़ 2i minus 4j plus 3 minus 3k. सिमिलरली a2 माइनस a1 वैल्यूज हमने निकाली हुई हैं. a2 माइनस a1 की है j माइनस 4k. देन वी विल कैलकुलेट b1 क्रॉस b2 का मोड. यहाँ पे मोड नहीं कैलकुलेट किया था, ये मोड नहीं है, ये तो हमने b1 b2 कैलकुलेट किया है. सो मोड यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट किया, इट इज़ अंडर रूट ऑफ 29 2 अंडर रूट 29 सॉरी अंडर रूट 29 16 4 20 plus 9 under root 29. So D will be cross product of b1 b2 जो आई है 2i minus 4j minus 3k with dot a2 minus a1 j minus 4k अपॉन इसका b1 क्रॉस b2 का मैग्नीट्यूड दैट इज अंडर रूट ऑफ 29. सो डॉट प्रोडक्ट में i विद i1 होता है, j विद j1 होता है, k विद k1 होता है. सो 2 इंटू आई वाला यहाँ है ही नहीं तो 0 आ गया. -4 j -4 इंटू -1 -4 -3 इंटू -4 प्लस 12. सो 12 minus 4 8 12 minus 4 8. So 8 by under root 29 is the answer. Thank you.